I recently made a doghouse out of completely recycled building material. I started off by making a frame on a pallet. I put sarking on the walls and pallets for the corrugated iron cladding. I then cut all the tin for the walls to the same size. My dog Java was happy to watch. For the front, I used this offcut of fibre cement cladding. I then threw some insulation on the walls inside and screwed some gyprock on the walls too. And then I started on the roof. I even had some insulation left for the roof and put some gyprock on the ceiling. I screwed the roof sheets on and my brother, who was the roofer, helped me with the flashings and the ridge cap. I'm pretty happy with the way that it turned out. The roof was really good. There are a few things that I could add, like a doggy door, a fascia, and some more flashings on the corners, but I'll do them later.